looking for a new cordless vacuum? Then this could be the video for you. Now don't forget, everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those vacuum products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So today we're going to unboxing and demonstrating the new Kalado cordless vacuum. So let's get unboxed and see what accessories you get, and then we'll check it out and see how good it is. So the Kalado comes with 3 suction adjuster, brushless motor, 2.5 milliamp battery, 1-click empty. We've got the instruction installation manual and the user manual. The Kalado comes with abundance of accessories. So we've got the user manual, which comes with a variety of languages. We've got English, German, French, Italian and Hispaniola. We've got our motorised floor brush, easy to clean, easy to remove. We've got a cleaning tool that comes out, so if you've got any hairs on there, you can clean the hairs off like so. This brush is removable, so it's just a case of flicking that out, lift that up, and you can wash that in the sink. Just leave it for at least 24 hours so it's completely dry before you put it back in your Kalado vacuum. To slot it back in, push in like so, push down and push in. We've also got the mini motorised brush roll, which works the same sort of system. So to change the brush roll, slide that out, lift that out, and you can wash that as well straight in the sink. Then just leave it for 24 hours to dry, put it back in. Also it comes with 2 HEPA filters, duster brush for surfaces and keyboards, crevice tool for those tight corners and down the sides of furniture, extendable wand, and the main unit. And with the main unit, we've got a separate battery, which I think is absolutely fantastic. If the battery did go down, you're not replacing the whole unit as opposed to just replacing the battery. Also, this unit comes with a brushless motor as well, which is awesome. And then we've got our adapter as well. So you can charge the battery on its own. So as we look in the back, you've got a connector there. The battery takes around 5 hours to charge, and you've got little lights on here. So it will flash each light an increment as it goes up until it's fully charged. It's easy to install the battery, line it up and clip it in. On the top we've got an LED display. With the LED display, if the bin is full it will turn red, and also if the brush roll is full of dog hair it will turn red as to pre-warn you that the bin needs emptying or the brush roll needs cleaning. You've got 3 power settings, so we press the power setting. Now the first power setting, which is low, will last for 40 minutes. The second power setting will last for 20 minutes and the high powered mode will last for 14 minutes. Emptying the bin is a breeze. It's just a 1-touch press and your bin will lock. You can shake that down. If you want to change your filter, it's really simple. You grab your crevice tool, slot that in there, give that a twist anti-clockwise. You can now remove your HEPA filter and your main filter. Take your filter out. You've got your spare one, so this one you can wash out. Give this a bit of a clean out. Put your new filter in like so. So a bit of a twist so that filter locks in place, and then just slot that back in your bin and twist that clockwise to lock in place, and then close your bin and you're ready to rock and roll. All your tools are 1-click place, so just drop that in. That's your duster brush, press the button to release. You've got your crevice tool, slots in place. You've got your extension wand, so what you've got on your extension wand is a power connection at the bottom because both brush rolls are self-powered. So you slot that in there like so, 1 button, easy to remove, just press the button and it comes out. So we'll slot that in, and it's the same connection the other end. So then you grab your floor tool or your mini tool and just slot that in place again, like so. And then to remove it, 1 button to remove. Right, so now we've got it set up, you can adjust the height of this. So you've got a low setting, you've got a high setting. To extend the height of it, we just slide that up and you can extend the height of that vacuum. If you want it lower down for shorter people, you just push up and lower that down. When using the vacuum, as the bin fills up, what you'll get is this will turn red, letting you know the filter is blocked. The brush roll gets covered in any hair. It will also let you know that the brush roll has stopped spinning because of that hair density around the brush roll. So we've run through the tool setup, run it around the house and see how good it actually works. Right, now don't forget everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below of where to get a Kalado cordless. Make sure you comment down below if you've bought a Kalado, what you think of it as well. For those of you who want to see my review on my Green Note vacuum, check out this video next. And then for those of you who want to see the benefits of the Kirby vacuum, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy cleaning, and I'll catch you next one.